I mean, this one is cute, but it's not giving me stock card vibes. I don't know, Bobbi Boss. I don't know. Like, I mean, it's cute, but it's not what I was hoping for.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. You know that you're the best for me, testing me. I know you want what's left of me. Boy, you better take it down with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, when I find a key. Spend the time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Boy, you better take it down with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, when I find a key. Spend the time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half-Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from Bobbi Boss. I'm wearing this one in the style MLF670 Bryn and the color number 1B. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. It does come with that awful fake scalp, which I did go in and cut out. It did also come with 13x5 parting space as well as baby hairs, and this one is pre-plucked, thank God, you guys. So I'm gonna just come in a little bit and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. I mean, so I honestly can't be mad at the hairline. I feel like they did a pretty good job with this one. Now, one of the things I wish they just did not do with this unit is just go in and slap that fake scalp, because as we all know, that just never does any unit justice, and the amount of time that it takes to cut it out isn't ridiculous, but I just wish I could just completely skip that step, and they would make our lives a whole lot easier if they just got rid of the fake scalp, period. So the texture on this one is definitely coming off a medium Yaki. I do like it. It is a little bit tangly. It does have a little hint of silkiness into it. So definitely do note that if this is one you do plan on picking up, but in my opinion this one is leaning more towards Yaki than it is Silky, so that's definitely a plus for me. The length on this one is on the longer side. It's not too extremely long, but I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come just below my boobs. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and definitely big head friendly on this one, you guys. This cap has some stretch. I did actually go in and adjust the straps on this one. I feel like this is one of the units I've seen in a long time that actually I would consider big head friendly. And as you guys know, my head is on the smaller to medium size with 21.5 to 22 inches in circumference, so just keep that in mind. Now the density on this unit is definitely more on the natural side. This is all the hair to the front and it's sitting at about 130% density, so I mean, I'm not mad at it. I do kind of wish there was a little more hair, but I feel like if you want more volume, you can always just finger comb it out or wipe tooth comb it out. But definitely just note with the style of this unit, these are the type of curls that will clump together. You guys, this unit is also heat safe, so I definitely would recommend probably going in with some heat on this unit, especially if you do plan on wearing it as a middle part. I definitely did experience a little bit of lumpage with this unit. I did just go in with my wax stick and just brush that bad boy down, and I feel like it's looking pretty good, especially as a side part, because I like the volume when it's in the side part versus when it's in the middle. So I'm not mad at it. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con for this unit, as always, is going to be the fake scalp. I just feel like it's an additional extra step to get rid of, and the units look so much more natural without them, and I just feel like it's irrelevant. Like, we need to just move past the fake scalp. Another con that I have with this unit is going to be the parting space. They do list it as 13 by 5, but I feel like in the middle area there's not as much parting space as I wish there was. Even with my typical half up, half down style, I wasn't even able to really do that today, just because I feel like the space is so narrow, it doesn't really look realistic. It looks kind of crazy, so that's why today I just kept it with 3 styles. So this one is still versatile-ish if you're only looking to do more so like simple styles. So I mean, I can give them that, but I do wish that we just had a little bit more space in the middle. But those are probably my only 2 cons with this unit. My pros with this unit are I really love the curl pattern. I think the texture is really nice. The density is nice, even though it's more on the natural side. Once I blended the lace in, I feel like that was looking pretty good. The hairline looks pretty nice. The baby hairs look pretty nice. I mean, as a whole, I feel like this one is definitely just a cute unit. I don't necessarily really see this lasting super long, but I do feel like with some maintenance and care, you definitely could get a good amount of wear out of this unit. So would I pick it up again? Possibly, but I feel like I would probably lean more towards a unit that's like a 13 by 6. But I just kind of feel like this look is... it's been done. You know what I mean? Give us something new. I wanted it to give me more of the vibe that's on the stock card, which I feel like it wasn't giving me, even in the middle part. But I don't think it's a bad unit. I think if you did pick this one up, you wouldn't be disappointed. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.